Today we're taking a simple dress and giving it a beautiful upgrade. We are going to transform this everyday wear into a unique, artful piece with some minimalist embroidery stitching. This project is all about how subtle details can make a big impact. First, I'm fixing my wooden hoop at the bottom of the dress, right on that center line. Then I'm marking dots with a heat erasable pen, leaving about a ½ centimeter gap between each dot. These dots will be my guides for keeping my stitches neat and consistent. I've chosen the brown floss to match the top part of the dress, and I've separated it to use 3 strands. Now, we're going to stitch a double chain stitch. This stitch is easy and creates a beautiful linked line that's perfect for this kind of border. My stitches will be about 1 centimeter wide and a ½ centimeter high, connecting together as I go. I'm starting at the bottom on the beige area of the dress and stitching my way up. A little tip for you: try to keep your stitches consistent in size and tension. This is what makes the pattern look so clean and professional. The double chain stitch is a great choice because it's a bold and beautiful stitch that fills a good amount of space, making the project move along nicely. Just go under the fabric with your needle and start with a new thread from the back. It's a quick and easy way to keep your stitching flowing, and it gives you a really clean finish. This is a great way to give an old garment a brand new life or add a special detail to a new one. Now, as I reach the point where the color of the dress changes to brown, I'm going to change my floss color to beige to match. This will create a seamless, cohesive look. I'll continue stitching the same double chain stitch all the way to the neckline. Once I've finished the main line down the front of the dress, I'm going to add the same stitch to the sleeves. This will tie the whole look together and make the dress feel complete and thoughtfully designed. And there you have it, a simple long dress transformed with a beautiful embroidered border. The double chain stitch adds a touch of elegance and uniqueness that's perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this project and feel inspired to enhance your own garments. If you did, Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and follow HandiWorks for more creative stitching ideas. Happy crafting!